Hi, Ruchit sir. Good morning. Welcome to the show. How are you, sir?
Very good morning, Dinesh. Thank you very much for inviting me to the show today.
Yes, sir. Sir, what's the outlook for the market?
Dinesh, market has reached its important resistance point, which is around 11,500. Now, if I look at some of the options data, then 11,500 call options has good amount of open interest outstanding, which means that call writers are active over there. Yesterday, we tried to move above that 11,500 mark. Even today, in the opening first half an hour, market was hovering around 11,500 mark, but still that call writers did not start unwinding their positions. And in fact, we have seen good addition of more positions in 11,500 calls. So this is a sign that we are at the resistance point, so it's better to take some money off the table over here. Just from the expiry perspective, now we think that we could see some sort of profit booking. Now on the lower side, 11,418. This is a very important support technically from short-term perspective. In case if we see the breach of this 11,418 level, then we could see some good amount of profit booking in short term as well. But for time being, we are watching out this range of 11,418 on the lower side and 11,500 on the higher side. And since we are at the higher end of the range, we are advising to book some profits over here.
So what do you think about Bank Nifty?
Yeah, so Bank Nifty has seen a relative underperformance since last few weeks, and but in last 2 or 3 trading sessions, we have seen a pickup in momentum, in the banking space. So I think even Bank Nifty is at its important juncture. On 22nd of July, the index had formed a high of around 23,200, and at least in intraday we have surpassed that level. So today's closing would be more important. 23,200 to 3,250 is the resistance point. In case if we see Bank Nifty surpassing this on a closing basis, then I think one could expect some good stock purchase moves from the banking space. But as of now, we would wait for the.
So, Ruchit sir, any stock or sector that you think will do good in times to come?
We have a combination of both buy and sell. On the sell side, we are recommending to buy put option in Manappuram Finance. Probably, if you look at the recent past, we have seen some correcting phase in the month of in the end of July in Manappuram Finance. After testing its 200 DMA, there was some pullback move and from its resistance of 164, 165. The stock is showing signs of some correction again. So I think the stock could again test its important supports of 151, around 150, 151. So 150 put option of September series, which is right now quoting around 4.95 rupees, can be bought at current levels, keeping a stop loss below 3.5 rupees, expecting targets around 7.5 to 8 rupees, 7 to 7.5 rupees in that. And on the long side, Syngene looks quite positive. Height of high bottom structure has been seen. Yesterday, we witnessed a good amount of buying interest in Syngene from its 20 days exponential moving average support. So around 500, I'm recommending this on a minor dips. So around 500, if we get in during the day today, then one can go long on Syngene, keeping stop loss below 475 from a short-term perspective, expecting target somewhere around 500.